Hi, sweet boy. How are you? Are you ready to go on a walk? Are you ready? Are we waiting for Grandma? She's so slow. She's so slow, huh? Here's your buddy Fred. Where's your buddy Lou? Oh, there's Lou. Hi, Lou. What's it doing, good girl? Okay, you hang loose. Let's go find Grandma. Oh, there she is.
Okay.
She's slow.
He's got a 44.8 pass.
Just throwing in some laundry.
Oh, boy. Oh, boy.
Let's see, where's my coat?
What do you think? Okay, we're going.
Let me see if he'll even get.
Yeah, I don't know, babe. Is that overkill or what?
I was gonna say, let me see if we can even get out the door.
Okay.
Watch Fred.
Freddie V, you stay inside.
Okay.
This is that damn chair.
Yeah, you gotta lift that thing. Oh, the chair.
Yeah.
The infamous chair box.
Chair bikes.
It's tough. It's tough.
Bye. Alright, so I'm gonna do.
You ready for a walk finally?
I'm gonna make the coleslaw and make
Good boy.
get the cornbread ready to make.
Okay.
When do you guys want to eat? What time?